Hello everyone and welcome back. Looking for a budget monitor? Today we're comparing two popular options, the Xiaomi G24i and the Lenovo L24i. Let's see which one comes out on top. Both monitors feature a 23.8-inch Full HD screen with IPS panels. The Xiaomi G24i has a massive advantage here, with a 180Hz refresh rate, while the Lenovo L24i only offers 100Hz. For gaming, the Xiaomi is clearly better. It also has a 1 millisecond response time compared to Lenovo's 1 millisecond MPRT, which isn't quite as fast. Color quality is similar on both. The Xiaomi covers 99% of the sRGB color range, while Lenovo doesn't list exact numbers but should be close. Both have factory color tuning with delta E less than 2, meaning colors look accurate right out of the box. Brightness is 250 nits for both, which is okay for indoor use but not great for bright rooms. The Xiaomi G24i is built for gaming. It supports AMD FreeSync Premium, which stops screen tearing during fast action. It also has HDR support for better contrast. The Lenovo L24i has basic AMD FreeSync but misses the premium features in HDR. If you play games, the Xiaomi is the clear winner. Design-wise, both have slim bezels and tilt stands. The Lenovo L24i includes built-in speakers, 3 watts each side, which is handy if you don't have external speakers. The Xiaomi doesn't have speakers, so you'll need headphones or separate speakers. Both support VESA mounting. The Lenovo has cable management built into the stand, which keeps things tidy. Price is where things get interesting. The Xiaomi G24i costs around $115 to $130. The Lenovo L24i is usually slightly cheaper or similar, for just a bit more. You get way better gaming performance with the Xiaomi. Bottom line, if you play games or want smooth motion, get the Xiaomi G24i. The 180Hz screen and better gaming features are worth it. If you just need a basic monitor for work and web browsing, the Lenovo L24i works fine and has built-in speakers, but overall the Xiaomi offers better value.